Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the cutting-edge world of AI and data analytics. Today, we're exploring something truly groundbreaking. Sintra AI Dexter, the game-changer that's set to revolutionize data analytics forever in 2025. Picture this. In a world overloaded with data, making sense of it all can feel overwhelming. But Sintra AI Dexter is here to change that. First off, what exactly is Sintra AI Dexter? It's an advanced AI platform developed by Sintra AI, designed to automate and enhance data analysis like never before. Using state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms, it processes massive datasets in real time, turning raw data into actionable insights with minimal human intervention. Gone are the days of manual sorting and endless spreadsheets. What makes it revolutionary? For starters, its predictive analytics capabilities can forecast trends with up to 95% accuracy, helping businesses make smarter decisions faster. Imagine integrating it with your existing tools. It's compatible with cloud services, databases, and even IoT devices. Plus, it features natural language processing, so you can ask questions in plain English, like, "What's our sales trend for next quarter?" and get instant, visualized responses. The benefits are huge. Companies can save thousands of hours on data processing, reduce errors, and uncover hidden patterns that drive innovation. For individuals, it's a game changer too, making data analytics accessible without needing a PhD in computer science. And in 2025, with AI regulations evolving, Sintra AI Dexter is built with ethics in mind, ensuring data privacy and transparency. Looking ahead, this tool isn't just a fad, it's the future. As we move towards more automated workflows, Sintra AI Dexter could transform industries from finance to healthcare. If you're in data, tech, or business, this is your sign to get excited and stay updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI insights, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's one way you'd use Sintra AI Dexter? Let's chat. See you in the next video.